birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adrian. Happy birthday to you. All of them. All right.
Yay.
Happy birthday.
Tell me when to stop recording because I don't know when to stop.
I'm going to watch her open her presents. Hey, presents. Sorry, there's nothing that like this.
Golly, Kaylee, it's not your toy.
Show down. Okay.
Amazing.
Go ahead, Gabriel. You can.
Okay.
Whoa. That's a card.
Mom, what is digging? Short.
It's a dress. Pants. Loopsy, more of this stuff. Pajamas.
Pajamas.
And this one. Here's that
Yay!
Doc McStuffins.
Jack
She has herself a jacket. That's Hello Kitty on the back.
Hello Kitty.
More Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
This is from Lily, so you better thank her.
All this is from Lily.
Mm-hmm. Open it up.
Hello Kitty.
Open it up. What does it say on the front?
Sweet.
Heart.
Come on, you haven't been at school that long.
Come, read it.
Happy birthday.
Birthdays are
Sweet and love.
pops.
Lollipops too. But nothing is sweeter or nicer than you.
What does it say?
Happy birthday, you. And Willie.
Yep. And so you have stickers that come with that. See? Those are all stickers.
I know.
So we're going to have to thank Lily.
You can tell her in a video.
Say thank you, Lily, in the video, because then we can
Thank you,
send her the video.
Lily. Thank you, Lily.
Gabriel's covered in purple.